Next up, we're going to be discussing a prediction from the one and only high priest of Bitcoin, and that's Max Keiser, projecting his short-term target for Bitcoin of $220,000 per coin. Let's break this down, and again, shout out to the one and only high priest. Max is a Bitcoin enthusiast and crypto advisor to the president of El Salvador, Nayib Bukele, and recently made the bold prediction of where the Bitcoin price could be heading, joining other experts and making some eye-popping guesses. In the tweet made on X, Keiser confidently stated he thinks Bitcoin's price will go up a lot, reaching an impressive $220,000 per Bitcoin. Meanwhile, his statement came after reading a CNBC article about the current financial market, which is facing some challenges due to worries about the economy and rising prices. However, he didn't say exactly when this target will happen, but eventually Keiser has been a big supporter of Bitcoin for quite some time. In 2011, he called it the currency of the resistance and one of the biggest stories of the decade. So he's ultimately been telling you to buy Bitcoin back since when it was like $1. Insane, right? How many millionaires are responsible for being created due to Max and Stacy and the Keiser report? Let me know, fam, if you're one of them. His recent prediction seems to be based on the idea that the central banks worldwide will print lots of money. Not surprising, right? Leading to a massive increase in the supply of money. That's where Bitcoin comes in. It's seen as a way to protect your money from losing value when the prices go up. That's right. Bitcoin is the ultimate hedge against inflation. So apparently, not everyone agrees with Max's rosy outlook when it comes to the Bitcoin price action and inflation. Nicholas Merton, who I would consider a Bitcoin permabull, and other experts, so-called experts on crypto, think the rise in prices could actually be a problem for BTC. He suggests that people who control the money might need to do something about it, like raising the interest rates, which could make it harder for the Bitcoin price to go up. We also have Bloomberg analyst Mike McGlone, who has shared some concerns. He says that if interest rates go up, the Bitcoin price might go down. And one last thing to keep in mind, Bitcoin isn't all by itself. It's connected to other things happening in the financial world. And when big things happen in regular money or stocks, it can affect Bitcoin too. So even if Bitcoin is digital and fancy, it's still a part of the bigger picture. But if you actually do the math, what's the alternative? Where can you park cash right now and not lose 20% of its value due to inflation or hyperinflation? The alternative is gold, but gold is a terrible alternative because the gold prices are also manipulated. Hence why JP Morgan Chase got caught spoofing the precious metal markets and had to pay north of a $900 million fine. They literally got caught with their hands in the cookie jar. So you can't make this stuff up. When do you feel that Max Keiser's 220,000 Bitcoin price prediction is likely to come a reality? Let me know in the comments right down below.